These fantasy horse riding videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and this TikTok page has gained more than 324,000 followers and 28.6 million likes just by posting this exact style of content. One of their videos alone gained 56.5 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel because I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Fantasy Horse Generator and click on the very first result. Open it and hit Start the Generator. It will instantly provide you 10 different fantasy horse riding scenarios to choose from. You can also ask for more ideas or describe your own concept if you have something specific in mind. I am going with number 9. In just a couple of seconds, ChatGPT will provide you one image prompt and one video prompt for that scenario. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure your image settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, your images will be right in front of you. Now choose the one that looks the most cinematic and epic. Click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and paste it in. Make sure your desired video model and settings are turned on and hit enter. In seconds, your viral fantasy horse riding video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method. $56.5 million views. From a fantasy horse riding AI video made in under 5 minutes with completely free tools. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.